Intel or AMD? This is one of the biggest questions when building a gaming PC, workstation, or AI computer. But what's the real difference? Let's simplify it fast. Intel CPUs are known for strong single-core performance, smooth multitasking, stable productivity workloads, great performance for streaming and editing. Intel is usually better for video editing, heavy multitasking, large AI workloads, multi-user environments, and newer Intel CPUs focus heavily on AI acceleration technologies. AMD CPUs are famous for amazing gaming performance, better price-to-performance value, lower power consumption, huge cache technology like 3D V-cache. AMD is excellent for gaming, fast response workloads, budget performance PCs, small AI projects. Especially for gamers, AMD's X3D processors are extremely powerful. So what's the real difference? Intel better for heavy workloads, productivity, and large-scale processing. AMD better gaming value, efficiency, and fast response performance. Neither is bad. The best CPU depends on your budget, your workload, your future upgrade plans. For gaming, AMD is usually the king. For productivity and AI, Intel often has the advantage. But today, both Intel and AMD are incredibly powerful. So, which side are you choosing? Team Intel or Team AMD? Comment below. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated, like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.